Consider this a primer on CRM and data modeling. Consider an account, an entity that you do some sort of transaction with. Okay. Now that entity could be a person, it could be a business, right? In our context, we have two of those which are absolutely businesses, an event and a publication. The podcast, depending on how the podcast host has set up their whole podcast, it may be a single person or it could be a business entity. Like some of the more popular ones are definitely set up as a business. Okay. So that's how we define an account. Then we go to the concept of contacts. A contact is any person that you can actually have a back and forth with under an account. In our cases, we're going to limit it to one contact can only be associated with a single account. And a single account can have multiple contacts. So in our case, if Brandify would be the account and all of us would be contacts under Brandify. The relationship is Brandify, one account, has multiple contacts. Okay. But me as a contact, I roll up only to one account called Brandify. I don't also roll up to GHL or Amazon or something else. I only roll up to one account entity. Okay. The third one is opportunities. This is the easiest thing to relate to for our customers. The idea is you have an opportunity to get published at Forbes or get interviewed at a podcast or go speak at an event. Okay. Now, if you're speaking at an event, for example, take the case of Ruheen and GHL's Level Up. Level Up is an event. They create one event and Ruheen has speaking opportunities. So the right way to do that actually would be to create GHL events as an account. And now you have multiple opportunities to speak for GHL, the entity. She can go speak at Level Up. She can go speak at SaaSpreneur events that happen. She can go speak at any other GHL event that they're hosting anywhere else. So you will have multiple opportunities, possible multiple opportunities with the same account. They will always be for different things. Like you're publishing at a magazine, you publish your first article, they like it, it becomes popular, they ask you to publish again. So you publish another one and another one, another one. And each of those would be a separate opportunity to get published. Same with podcast. So typically with podcast, you will have an opportunity to get interviewed at a podcast. And that would probably just be a one-time thing. Once you're done there, you're done there. Might be another opportunity a few months, maybe a few years later. But typically they don't call the same person again and again. Okay. So we have three entities now. There's account at the top, there is contact, and then there is opportunities. And your primary point of contact is the person who will be the contact on your opportunity. So there is a one-to-one relationship between contact and opportunity, one-to-many between account and contact, and one-to-many between an account and an opportunity.